decided to play Five Nights at Freddy's Night 5 because it will be boring if I don't play Night 5 and Night 6. So I'm just gonna finish Night 6 instead. And apparently, at the previous episode, I'd say that I'd rather not play Night 5 or nor Night 6. So let's continue. Forget about what I said. Come on, come on. Don't move. Don't move. Bunny. 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 There. Oh, 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 oh. Now, Nick. What's that? What the heck is that? What? Oh, 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 Foxy, Chica, 1 a.m., 1 a.m., 1 a.m., no one moves, no one moves, don't move, oh Chica, not scared of you anymore, nice place by the way, so apparently, I'm scared of noisy because my cousin is here. Sorry about that, guys. Come on. What's your problem? He's gone. He's gone. Yes, 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 yes. You can't get me. You won't get me anymore. I'm invincible person. What? You're not done? Well, Freddy isn't gonna attack me, is he? He is gonna attack me. Why would you attack me now? Okay, I hate the sound of that. I hate the laugh. I always. Okay, you almost scared me. Kind of. Kind of. Gun. That sounds. It sounds bad about. I'm not scared anymore because I am used to jump scares. Man, I'm not that scared now. Jerk. What? Freddy looks kind of weird. And apparently, it's kind of hard. Oh, come on. Do you have to crash the game at the front of the video? Tell me. So I kind of added a little bit of things in here, but don't worry. Okay. In all the NAF, or North Side of Freddy's, the hardest could be. I hate that sound. The hardest could be 3 because you have to reboot all the stupid materials you need. And in NAF 4, you don't need anything to reboot. I'm making a video. So, my my Lola came to say hi. Well, she didn't know that I was taking a video, so it's kind of making noises. He's there. Shoot. Ooh, come on, Foxy. Foxy.
Huh?
This could be 2 episodes.
Rose?
Okay. 2 episodes on.
Tapos na?
My palm's on.
Daddy, ay, mamaya na, pag ganyan na siya, madali lang naman yan.
Okay.
Madali.
So apparently,
Nakalatag naman na eh.
we're gonna eat in any seconds.
Hindi, Daddy, minutes lang yan. Minutes lang daw yan. Kasi madaling maluto. Kaya,
Actually, in episode Speak Tagalog. Yes, yes. Come on. Every single time. So sorry guys that every time there's a jump scare, the jump scares goes lag. So it's not really that nice. But I do get scared all the time. Is that bunny? That couldn't be bunny. That's bunny. Bunny's, yeah, that's not. Don't worry about Foxy. And Freddy, they always disappear. Turn that one up. I have a good feeling that Fox is gonna attack in a minute. Don't panic. Don't panic. I'm a brave man. I mean a boy. I'm a brave boy. I'm a brave teen. Ager. Oh! That scared me. Come on, Bunny. Bunny, get out from there. You can't get me because the door is closed because of Bunny. Blame Bunny all about that. Okay, blame Bunny. Don't blame yourself. Because you're very good. Okay, Chica. Let me check Chica a bit. So meanwhile, 3 a.m. So yeah, there you are. Bunny's the worst.
30 minutes lang kaya.
You're always there.
30 minutes. 55.
Check the button. Check the camera. There we go. I think everything is under control
Rose,
right now.
30 minutes lang, 30. 30. Kasi sa ano ko, sa turbo, inalalagay ko 60 minutes.
Apparently.
Tapos ang ano lang, 100.
Oh, 4 a.m. 4 a.m. 4 a.m. 4 a.m. Okay, so
Ayun, 90 lang. May baka pa yan.
Foxy. Foxy's there. Foxy's there. Mama. Mamma mia.
Hapdan.
Pizzeria. Check this door. not pals. He's not. You're there. Everything. It's under control already. I'm not sure if I'm gonna finish this, but. Let's see. 1%. I can't make it. Seriously. It's a. Oh no. Freddy, don't do this to me. Come on. I kind of like the sounds, but it's a jump scare. When is it coming? I'm not a coward. I'm ready for the jump scare. Oh yes, yes. That scares me, not the jump scare. Mike, $120. $120 only? Okay, what? They paid money. They paid me, but it's not even worth it. Okay, night 6. Let's try night 6. Error. Okay, I don't want to see Freddy in here, but no choice. Okay. Hallelujah. I have a skills. I can do whatever I want. Okay, this is actually creeping me out. If I die, so be it. Kill me. Don't kill me. But I need. So I need to end the video, you guys. So I hope you enjoyed. Subscribe, comment below, and share this below to your friends, your family, to wherever you know. Goodbye.